Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the User Account Control pop-up window in Windows 10. This pop-up window displays when you try to make changes to Windows settings and when applications try to install software or make changes to your computer. Please note, to turn off this feature, you will need to be an administrator on your computer. To turn off the User Account Control pop-up, go into the Windows Start bar and type in User Account Control and click on the User Account Control Settings search result. A User Account Control Settings dialog window will now display. From here, there are 4 UAC options you can choose from by moving the slider up and down. Starting from the top, you have the Always Notify option. Then after that, the Notify Me Only When Apps Try to Make Changes default option. Then, the Notify Me Only When Apps Try to Make Changes, Do Not Dim My Desktop option. And then last but not least, the Never Notify Me option. To turn off the User Account Control pop-up, select this last option. Now click on the OK button. A confirmation dialog window will now appear. Click on the Yes button. The UAC feature has now been turned off. And it's as easy as that. Turning off the User Account Control feature in Windows 10 is an easy task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.